Okay, welcome back to the third round of Trivia Game Thailand. So I have made a playlist, so it's easy if you want to do the other two rounds. So it's a total of 30 questions now. And if you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Let's start. Okay, first question. Now, there is a very interesting sound that you will probably hear around Thailand, also Southeast Asia. Here it is. Is it A, a beetle, B, a bird, C, a gecko, or D, a frog? The answer is, it's a gecko, a tokay gecko. They're big and loud. Good luck. Okay, who's this popular Hindu god in Thailand? One of Rex's favorites. Is it A, Ganesha, B, Parvati, C, Indra, or D, Guggenthorpe? Correct answer, Ganesha. Okay, here we have a picture of some tasty crabs. Now, how do you say crab in the Thai language? Is it A, kung, B, pla, C, pu, or D, cow? What do you think? Correct answer? Poo! Okay, here we are at Prachuap Khiri train station. And it is a road trip, but I have mentioned trains and the prices a lot. So it's a 6-hour train ride to Bangkok. And if I was purchasing second class AC, how much would that cost? A, 74 baht, which is about $2. 372 baht, that's about $10. 741 baht, about $20. Or 1,128 baht, that's about $35. Now this is second class AC in the daytime. Now there's a cheaper option with the third class fan, and if it was longer you might want to catch a night train, you know, but it's a 6-hour ride to Bangkok. What do you think? About $2, about $10, about $20, or about $35? Answer is 372 baht. It's about $10. Okay, next question. So, the majority of Thai people, when they eat rice, whether it's fried rice or some nice rice dish, do they use A, a spoon, B, a fork, C, chopsticks, or D, use their hands, eating with fingers? What do you think? The correct answer is a spoon. The vast majority of Thai people eat with a spoon when they're eating rice dishes. Maybe using a fork a little bit to scoop it around, to move it around. But now there are ethnic minorities like Chinese do like to use chopsticks. Muslims in the deep south do like to use their fingers, their hands. But in general, the spoon is king for rice dishes. Okay, next question. So Thailand has 4 land neighbors, like direct land borders with 4 different countries. Which of these is not a neighbor, a direct neighbor of Thailand? Is it A, Vietnam, B. Malaysia, C. Laos, or D. Cambodia? Which one is not a direct neighbor of Thailand? Answer is Vietnam. Okay, Thailand's most famous chili is what? A. Habanero, B. Snakebite chili, C. Jalapeno, or D. Bird's eye chili? This is the one that's everywhere in Thailand and on the recipes of the famous cuisine. What's the name? Correct name is bird's eye chili, also just thought of as Thai chili. What tree is this? What's that flower? Is it the lemon flower? Is it frangipani? Is it the potato flower? Or is it the lotus? Correct answer, frangipani. Okay, the rooster in Thailand is a symbol of what? A. Bad luck, B. Good fortune, C. Annoying neighbor, D. Rain. Which do you think? Bad luck, good fortune, annoying neighbor, or rain? The answer is good fortune. Good old rooster. All right, next question. Is this a picture of A. Jackfruit, B. Mangosteen, C. Guava, or D. Durian? Correct answer is durian. How did you do in the trivia game? Hopefully you did all right. Yeah, don't forget there's a playlist if you want to play the other 2 rounds. This is the 3rd round. And if you enjoyed, please subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching.